Okay, I just made a new gun. It's a Knex Sniper. Someone requested me on my other videos telling me to make a sniper. It doesn't shoot rods, it's an elastic band gun. And I'm using a new mechanism for this gun. It's 2 red cogs and a trigger. As you click the trigger, it moves the cog forward 1 notch, and I really like it at the moment. And I built a quick tripod for the video. Just going to show you that in there. And it clips onto a little bit down here. Okay. I think this is probably one of my best, or coming very close to the best elastic band gun I've made. And it comes with scope, barrel, tripod, magazine, handle, and stock. This was originally meant to be firing little bullets out of there, but it sort of always got jammed, and I just made it into elastic band gun. Okay, so I'm going to show you firing. To fire, it's quite a long process because you have to get it under the scope. So you unclip it on one side, and there's a little knot right there. Hook it on there and pull it all the way back to the cog. You can see that. And you do the same thing. It only fires 2 elastic bands. It can fire 3, but just to make sure it doesn't break, I only use 2. I measured the distance it can fire, and it measured up to 15 to 20 feet, which is quite nice for an elastic band gun.